Hello everybody and welcome to Maintenance World. In this video we're going to talk about introduction to maintenance. We're going to define and understand four basic concepts on the maintenance world, which are of course maintenance, failure, reactive or corrective maintenance, and preventive maintenance. To start, let's take a look at your teeth. I'm going to draw them right here, and I'll make the divisions. Right here. Okay, so let's suppose these are your teeth. Now, every day you brush them. Draw it right here. Okay, not good. Better. If you brush, and this is a toothbrush, you brush them at least once, okay? But let's say you brush them 3 times a day, after you wake up, at lunch, and before going to sleep. Now, the question is, why? Why do you keep brushing them with toothpaste and with this toothbrush, this beautiful toothbrush, every day and several times a day? That you will probably agree with me when I say that the objective for this is to keep dental hygiene, to keep these fellows healthy, to avoid a cavity, to avoid a tooth falling off. The thing is, that's the purpose of brushing them on a daily basis, to keep them healthy. Now, on the other side, let's suppose you brush them every day, but you get a cavity. It's just a black something, and this is supposed to be a cavity. No, you get a cavity, then you will have to go to the dentist to get a treatment. Dentist. Brushing your teeth won't cut it. You will have to go to the dentist to solve this problem, to repair your cavity, to cure your teeth. Now, it's important to know that even though it's quite different, this action and this action, these are very different actions, they are both focusing on keeping your dental hygiene. They have the same goal, whether it is to avoid the cavity from happening or to restore your tooth to its original state, more or less. Now, this is the concept, the core concept of maintenance. I'm going to write it right here. Maintenance is every action that is focused, directed towards the preservation of an asset. Now, in this case, the action may be brushing your teeth or going to the dentist, and the asset is your teeth. In the industry, of course, the asset is any kind of machine, and the action is any kind of action done in this machine that wants to preserve it. Now, on this example, there were 2 different actions, as we said. One was to prevent the cavity from happening, while the other one was to, let's say, repair your teeth. The first one is what we call preventive maintenance, and the last one is what we call corrective or reactive maintenance. But first, we have to understand the concept of failure. Failure is the happening of this cavity. This cavity is a failure. It's something that you do not want. You do not want to happen to your asset, in this case your teeth. And that's it. That's the core concept. I'm going to write it right here. So failure is an undesirable event occurring on the asset we want to preserve. This is the core concept. Oh god, okay, that's okay. The core concept of failure, in this case the cavity is a failure, because you do not want this to happen to your asset, your teeth. So understanding this core concept, we can now understand very easily these two maintenance kind of or types of maintenance. The first one, what we call preventive maintenance, is so simple. It's just any action done before the failure, which purpose is to avoid it from happening. That's it. The preventive maintenance is some action you are doing before the failure from happening. You don't want to brush your teeth because you do not want anything bad happening to them, and that's the purpose. You want to avoid a cavity. So this is preventive maintenance. Now, corrective or reactive maintenance, it's a pretty obvious guess. It will be any action done after the failure, which purpose is to restore the asset to how it was before the failure happened. So what you really want is to correct this cavity and to your teeth were functioning very good. So what you want is for them to function good again, to how they were before the cavity. That's it. This is going to the dentist. You do not go daily. You go once a year to check your teeth, but if you have a problem, you go and he'll repair your teeth to how they were, more or less. Now that we understand these four basic concepts, we can delve deeper on the maintenance world. And remember that any suggestions or questions, you can leave them on the comment section below. And thanks for watching.